Hi, Jamaica. My name is Quing, and I am a human rights activist from Trinidad and Tobago. And I want to say happy Pride to everybody in Jamaica. And to celebrate Pride, I want to share 4 things that I am proud of about my country, things that I love about my country and my region. The first one is the people are so warm, and also the weather is warm. It's like a match made in heaven. Secondly, I just think the food is amazing. I think it's something with the seasoning. The fresh seasoning, all the Caribbean people know what I'm talking about. Thirdly, I know that nobody could party like us. None. You know, Voice said it in his song. They can't party like we. No, 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 no. Nobody else could party like us. And number 4, the scenery, the flora and fauna, the beaches. It's just like paradise. Yeah, I think it really is paradise. Those are 4 things I'm proud of about my region and reasons why I love my region so much. Living in Trinidad became too dangerous for me because I am transgender, and leaving home was really hard for me. So many LGBTQI Caribbean people have been forced to flee their countries because their life are in constant threat and danger. I hope one day we could return to our countries, be accepted and loved and valued in the way that every citizen should be valued. I am proud of my nation and my region, and I hope one day my nation and region will be proud of me. Happy Pride, everybody.